Is your Skoda Yeti's infotainment system frozen or silent? You're not alone. These compact SUVs from 2009 to 2018 often face glitches. Start with the basics. A frozen screen usually means a software hiccup, and no sound often points to speaker or connection trouble. Try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. For no sound, check the fuse box under the driver's seat, especially fuse F12. A blown fuse is a common culprit. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, a deeper dive is needed. If the problems persist after basic fixes, consider advanced solutions starting with software updates. Skoda has released over-the-air updates, including version 2.1.0, which fixes 70% of freeze incidents by optimizing memory management and preventing crashes. For persistent issues, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes. This clears the system cache and restores default settings, helping resolve software glitches. For long-term reliability, the trend is toward aftermarket adapters like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. These provide wireless connectivity, bypassing aging original systems and offering modern smartphone integration. If all troubleshooting fails, seek help from a professional technician. Note that DIY firmware hacks are risky, void your warranty, and may cause permanent system damage.